Ever found yourself daydreaming of living rent-free in Italy? Envision the allure of the Italian lifestyle, the cobblestone streets humming with the melody of life, the rich history whispering tales from every corner, the vibrant culture that weaves a tapestry of unique experiences. Imagine indulging in the mouth-watering cuisine, each bite a testament to the country's culinary prowess. Dream no more, for these fantasies can become your everyday reality. Well, today we're here to share some insider tips on how you can make that dream a reality. Consider becoming a property caretaker. It's an exciting opportunity that's more common in Italy than you might think. As a property caretaker, your main responsibility is to look after a property while the owners are away. This could mean anything from maintaining the garden, making sure the property is secure, to simple housekeeping duties. But it's not all work and no play. One of the greatest advantages of being a property caretaker is that you get to live in some truly beautiful locations completely rent-free. You'll also have the opportunity to fully immerse yourself in the local culture, maybe even picking up a little Italian along the way. So how do you find such opportunities? Well, there are numerous websites and agencies that connect property owners with prospective caretakers. Do some research, find a reputable service, and before you know it, you could be living your Italian dream. In exchange for looking after the property, you may be able to live there rent-free. Another way to live rent-free in Italy is by house-sitting. House-sitting is an arrangement where you care for someone else's home while they're away, and in return, you get to stay in the house for free. It's a win-win situation. Homeowners can leave their property in safe hands, and you get to experience life in a new location without the burden of rent. Imagine waking up in a rustic Tuscan villa or a chic apartment in Milan without having to worry about the monthly rent. Websites like Trusted House Sitters are making this possible by connecting homeowners with potential house sitters. These platforms provide a safe and secure way for both parties to arrange house-sitting opportunities. House-sitting is not just about free accommodation. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture, exploring new neighborhoods, and living like a local. So, if you're ready for a unique and affordable way to experience life in Italy, consider house-sitting. House-sitting can provide you with a unique and affordable way to experience life in Italy. If you're a digital nomad, consider house swapping. This innovative concept presents a unique opportunity to live rent-free while immersing yourself in the local culture. It's as simple as it sounds. You exchange your home with someone else's in Italy, allowing both parties to experience a new location without the burden of rent or hotel costs. This arrangement is highly advantageous for digital nomads as it offers flexibility and convenience. You can work from your temporary Italian home, savoring the local cuisine during your lunch breaks, or taking a late afternoon stroll through ancient streets. House swapping also fosters a sense of community, as you're not just a tourist, but a temporary resident. There are several online platforms that facilitate this process, ensuring security and ease of use. All you need to do is list your home, find a match, and voila! You're ready to embark on your Italian adventure. Regardless of which option you choose, living rent-free in Italy is an experience like no other. So, why not take the leap and make your dreams a reality? From becoming a property caretaker to house-sitting, or even swapping homes as a digital nomad, there are numerous paths to living rent-free in Italy. Each opportunity not only offers financial freedom, but also a unique, unparalleled experience of Italian life. It's not just about saving money, it's about embracing a new lifestyle. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and insider advice. Check the description for the best travel deals. Grazie!